Hey now, it's Grace Marie Jones of CaughtUp Consulting's Abounding Credit Division, and it's FICO Friday all over again. And today I'm talking to you about the length of your credit history and the impact that it has on your FICO score. Now, FICO scores can range from 300 to 850 points, and that gives you a potential of earning 550 points. So at 15% of that, you can earn up to 82.5 points for your length of credit history. Start today on building good credit. Maintain those older accounts. When you first establish your credit, your oldest accounts are there, and maintain those. Don't close them out. Keep them in good standing. Even if you make a brief small purchase of something that you would be paying cash for anyway, just go ahead and make sure that you keep those accounts active and alive so that it shows that you can maintain good rapport and good relationship with those that have already extended you credit, so that you increasing your credibility. Well, that's a pretty simple area. That's all I have for you today. But if you want to find out more about credit and credit improvement, please visit CaughtUpConsulting.com. There you'll find articles and videos as well as answers to frequently answered questions. And you can schedule a consultation. And we look forward to seeing you on the other side. Thank you.